Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. I just finished my little girl. You can see I still have all my painting stuff out. And I just finished her. She took me about 4 days to finish. It was a lot of work with the details and everything else. She is on archival quality watercolor paper that is big. I don't know the size because I can't remember, but it's big. You can see, it's on an easel here. So she's pretty large. You take a good portion of the wall. And what I did was I did the backgrounds in acrylic. Of course, you have to treat the paper before you can paint acrylics or oils over it. So I did the backgrounds in acrylic. Then when they dried, I painted over her and all the flowers and everything else in oil. So she really pops right out. And as you can see, when I get closer, that she's transparent. And look at that, her eyes follow you. That's really interesting. Anyway, you can see the colors come through her face. And when the gold is there, you can see it, and it actually pops out of the painting. It actually comes out, so she glows. It's really, really quite spectacular when you see it in person. So if you want to learn to paint like this, definitely go sign up for the Milan Art Institute Mastery Program. A year ago, I could not paint. I could not draw my way out of a paper bag. I wanted to. I was always frustrated. And then I signed up for the program and just threw myself into it. And this is the result after maybe 8-9 months. So there you go. It's a really great program. And if you're interested in any of my artworks, I'm going to be making them available to you, both in prints and the originals. And I'm going to be doing a little square foot thing. I saw this lady on YouTube and she was pretty smart. She did the square foot show and she had 12 by 12 canvases that she sold, and they were really cute. And people liked them. So I think that size is quite popular. I'm going to be doing a bunch of square foot paintings for you guys too. So there you go. Go sign up for the course if you've ever wanted to paint. Get creative, and we'll see you very soon. Thanks, guys.